Guys, see, it is monitoring is very important. I told one story, one of the story, like a business level management and service level management. Okay, so of course monitoring is a part of service level management, not business level management, but it's how it is important there. This is business people, means billing desk managers. Okay, those people, sales people are there. Okay, this is the business desk. Okay, business desk, just for understanding. This is a service providers. These are a service provider and service supporter, means service operations related, service desk related. Okay, this is service level management, service level management, business relationship management, how to handle the customers, billings, what they will do, billing the customer queries. Query means connection, no connection, reconnection, and the stuff. Okay, this is entirely taken by this block. The second block is my customer is getting a connection, his internet is working or not. Just for example, okay. So his internet is working or not, is continuously is getting or not, like I'm monitoring. Is he reported any issues? Then we can see in this monitor or event viewer, yeah, we can understand somewhere in the outside wire is disconnected, or he's not paid a bill, he's not a paid a bill, or maybe wire is disconnected, or maybe this router is not working. So we can understand from the events and monitor events kind of stuff. Okay, so from here only we can able to tell. I said no, I told one story, right? What is that story? We have taken a U broadband connection from U broadband in a Pune office. We have taken U broadband internet connection. What happened? So we have a um, what happened? So there is some more than 20 days of no internet connection. So obviously we didn't pay the bill because we didn't use. Not only just using, there is no connection for almost like a 20-25 days. So bill guy will ask like you have to pay the bill. So Charan sir said we don't pay the bill because we are not getting internet for 20 days. So they will get information from this monitor how long this is not at all connected. Okay, why, where is the issues? Is customer side or provider side or between it? Okay, you got the information. The manager told, yes, okay, continuously 15 days no internet, complete disconnection. So we'll take a 15 days. This is the story, right? What we can able to understand, how the manager knows we are not getting internet for continuously 15 days. It's not a just assumption, right? So there are monitoring issues. Okay, so like this is the importance of monitoring. You guys understand? Next.
Yes, sir.
So normal monitoring means, when we say monitoring means looking at so how it is going on, right? Very simple monitoring is, so use your task manager. Very simple. It is the best one is your task manager. So look at here. This is a process. These are all process, running process. So each process consumes CPU, memory, disk, network, your GPU, okay, your power, like this. I can see, I want to know how much this free download manager is utilizing your my CPU, memory, kind of stuff. Or maybe I want to know, I will, yeah, here it is. No. This is not a good. Here it is. You can see Microsoft Teams or Cortana. Cortana is also there. Okay, Microsoft Teams 6.1, 6.9, 7.2. Memory is around 277.4 MB. Plus lot of other things also running. Disk, network, like this. Okay. So you Google Chrome, WhatsApp. Okay. So this is a process kind of stuff. What I'm doing is I'm monitoring my process. Okay. In Linux we use ps command. What is the command we use? ps aux ps hyphen e
Yeah.
ef oe or evo. Which one? And process ID kind of stuff, whatever it is. Then you see the process. Now you want to kill the process. So how to kill the process? Kill
The process ID.
process ID. So this is how to check the process in the Linux. Next, top is another command to see the live process, like a task manager. How you see the task manager, like that live process you can able to see from the top command. In Windows, we can use simply a task manager is also there. So this is a process monitoring. Okay, easy. So no need of any special application in that. Okay, process monitoring. So in a process monitoring, what we are monitor, what is the process, how much CPU it is taking, how much RAM it is taking, how much disk, how much network, how much GPU it is consuming each process. Right? So process monitoring. This is a performance of system. Performance of system. CPU performance. How it is going on. How much speed it is running. How many threads are there. Total speed. Actual speed. Okay. So this is the how much percentage utilization. 24, 17. Like this is a normal percentage. If I open virtualized machine, it increases. Right. And also monitor your memory. So how much total memory? 12 GB. How much available? 5 GB. Sometimes more, sometimes less. So more it is showing available, less. So better close few things, not required things. Okay, you can try. Okay, it may increase your space. It is downloaded, very good. I am closing other things. Okay, and also I am closing this one. So it may increase the little available space. Okay, so check your memory, check your disk performance, memory performance, CPU performance. See this big, like it went more than 100% and return back to normal. Okay, so disk man, another disk, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi, my GPU, graphic card. Okay, so this is performance monitoring. Just for understanding, guys, what you see, performance of CPU, performance of your memory, means RAM, disk, how many disks are there, your Ethernet, your Wi-Fi, your GPU performance you can able to monitor, just to show you things. Okay, of course user details, where you find a process ID also you can find it, process ID. Okay, what are the services? Okay, app history is also there. Just another point of what is the task manager. The point is the monitoring. How do you monitor things? That is the point. Okay, my task manager got freezed, no problem. Okay, so two things we have seen. Okay, no problem. Again, we'll go to task manager. Go to performance. What is this? Open resource monitor. Open resource monitor. This is resource monitoring. In task manager, I showed process monitoring and performance monitoring. Now this is resource monitor. What is resource monitor? You can understand each part like a CPU, disk, network, RAM, memory, kind of stuff. What process going on with that one? How much? What is the process ID? Okay. So what is the burden on it? Like that, you can understand individual process, CPU, process, services, associated handles, associated modules, memory, disk, network. Okay. So this is called a resource monitor. You can take any wonderful like one application. I can show you what is this particular monitor and all. But I want to show you, you know it from your side only. I am try to explain it. So this is the resource monitor. So how much resources are consumption by each process, like that we can able to get it. Okay. Again, same thing. Sessions are there in resource monitoring. Okay. CPU, memory, disk. CPU, memory, disk, network, and disk. Okay. So here 3 points I told: process monitor, performance monitor, resource monitor, kind of stuff. Here we don't get any other things. Okay, we don't need this one also. I will show you the same resource monitoring or a performance monitoring from my compmgmt.ms in a computer management window. This is performance. Okay, earlier we seen a performance direct question, but it is a performance of individual bits. You can see, and you can also monitoring tools, performance monitoring. Okay, performance monitoring, and here it is. You can add a specific items to you want to monitor, like a CPU versus one particular process, CPU RAM to a particular process or a particular work. Means particular thing like that. So graphic card like that. So you can able to select which part you want it or all want you want it, from which PC you want it. See, it's a only local PC or a particular computer you want to monitor it. You can't monitor, but you can do it. Yes. Okay. So this is a data collection set. We can collect the data and we can report it. Okay, and we can analyze the information. So this is the performance monitoring on a particular things. So I put a like this add, so it is added, and also I want to monitor some other things like a service related or maybe particular network related kind of IPv4 is there. VMware related is also there. Okay, so you have to select and put a things. So each one you can assign a color, so you will get a color things also. So this is a performance monitoring tool. Tool to view performance data either in a real time or from the log files. Okay. Next one is application monitor. Application monitoring is a one application process or a performance of application or resource. These are all comes under here only, application monitor. What is application monitor? application resource monitoring. Actually, application monitoring means application resource monitoring. So how this application is consuming CPU, RAM, network like that. So that is what application resource monitoring. Networking monitoring. Network monitoring. Okay, what is network monitoring? So how network is going on? Look at here. This is my network. Okay, so look at here. So this is my network is connected, or IP address is given. Ping communication. Okay, so for example, I want to monitor I'm getting connected or not, right? So ping to the particular machine. You see, we'll get a something like yes, it is get connected. Okay, I'm getting internet or not. Confirm with connected to google.com. Okay, okay. So this is like a monitoring network. Next, how many collisions, how much traffic you can able to monitor. This is one tool which is in my PC. Don't worry, it's not from Windows 10. I installed some other application. I got it. So anyway, that is very sometimes it is important. So performance Wi-Fi. See this my performance, including I got some IP address 192.168.1.29. I got it. Actually, yesterday I got a 1.2. 1.2 for Linux. Right, this is 29. I got my laptop is 29. Okay, so this is my performance. Okay, next here it is. I have adapters. This is a Wi-Fi adapter. I want to see what is going on with my Wi-Fi adapter. See what are the IP addresses sending and receiving, their ports. You can see. I open any something particular website, so there I can able to see. Otherwise, yeah, here it is. Why it is? It is asking for update. Yeah, remind me later. I don't update now. So if I open any website, for example, I'm open w3schools.com. Just open, automatically it will go that request. Okay. We have to put a point on it. So to whom you are communicating. So 1 second, it is better CMD ping www.google.com. This is pinging request is going on. Parallelly, that is also will be there here. Okay, so we can't see very sharply it is going on. We can take logs and we can analyze from it. Okay, also any local is very easy, means any stable point. Here it is. I'm taking this IP address, sorry. Next, import. I will stop here. This is keep going, capturing packets. Okay. It will ask for a saving like display apply filters. So to whom I send. What is this? Start capturing. Continue without saving. So this is the IP address. I send it. No, it is not working. Analyze display filters. Please start capturing. Okay, yeah, I send it. So then I'll try again. It is not showing that specific that is, but whatever it is, this is a Wireshark. We can capture the things and we can able to stop it also. Okay. Nokia is something ERP. Okay, this is TCP protocols having a sequence kind of stuff. UDP having only protocol length, but TCP acknowledgement based. See, okay, so that's why it is showing the packet like this. Okay, to whom is communicating. It is showing that entire list. So this particular IP address is not showing. Or I will try only ICMP protocol. Means it is. Yeah, I done a ping request, right? See, this is my ping request from my PC to my destination, destination to PC, PC to destination, destination to PC. See, request, reply, request, reply, request, reply. Okay, I change the pattern. Okay, no. Time is important here. Okay, first one is request, then we got a reply from there to here. I send a request, I got a reply. I send a request, I got a reply. Send a request, I got a reply. Yeah, now we're gonna so based on the protocol. Okay, so for example, let capture is going on. Don't save. I don't want to save this. Yeah, I am open this w3schools.com. So I put a HTTP yes protocol. Close. Yeah, so many are there capturing. Let it capture. HTTPS. Stop capturing. It is not stopping anything. Continue. Let it capture. So meanwhile, I will try HTTP. It is not that much. Lot of HTTP requests are there, I think so. That's it is not showing this particular IP. But whatever it is it's a one kind of thing. But this is not what I'm trying to say. It is okay. Application monitoring tools, database monitoring tools, database monitoring tools, server monitoring. So service monitoring like this. Server system monitoring tools, backup monitoring tools. Okay, unified monitoring tools. Unified means unified monitoring. Monitor everything and displays on single dashboard. So that is a unified monitoring thing. Okay, guys, this is the point number one in the monitoring. So you have a PC. So forget about Wireshark. Okay, you have a PC. Okay, in your PC, you want to monitor a process or a network system status. Okay, in monitoring, so you can say it is like a system or a device. Status is also important. Running, turn on, turn off, on or off. Status is then on or off status. Network IP address. Okay. Network IP addresses. Okay, this is also so one of the parameters. Take it or in the monitoring, these are also some part. Okay, so can you able to monitor your PC or not using task manager, resource monitor, like any tools, extra tools, can you able to monitor your PC or not? Function of your PC, load on your PC, what is RAM currently it is utilizing. Can you able to monitor your PC or not? Simple question, right? Guys, fast. We don't have a time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you monitor your own PC? One single PC. Task manager is there, or maybe any third-party tools. We use it and we monitor, and we know whether it's turn on, turn off. We know it. Okay. How network is connected, not connected. We can see, right? So we can so know ncpa.cpl. So go to adapters. See, there is a connection, no connection, internet working, no internet working. So we can understand by yourself. But in our companies, there is a lot of computers. In organizations, we have a lot of computers are there, lot of servers also there, right? Servers are there, data storage servers also there, storage servers also there, storage devices are there, routers are there, routers are there. Okay. Switches are there, firewalls are there, right? Domains are there, domain controllers are there. So whatsoever it is, guys, right? Printers are there, network printers also there. It is, can you able to go to each and every PC for monitoring? So each and every PC, each and every router, switches, everything. Can you able to go and monitor? You have a multiple devices. Then what is the solution? Always understand what is the solution. If you cannot able to do by going to each individual device, and what is the solution always? Centralized. Okay. Centralized solution. What is this centralized solution? This is a centralized monitoring tools because we are in a monitoring. Instead of monitor from each one by one, so we are putting everything into centralized. So each and every device, their parameters we can able to monitor. For example, this is C1 PC status, C2 PC status, C3 PC status. This is switch 1 is functioning, okay, switch 2 is working, okay, this is router 1 working, this is server 1, yes, server 1 is also good, server 2 disk full, server 2 disk full. Like that we can monitor every factors from our single dashboard only. How it is possible? You know, every server is installed with an agent. Okay, sorry, every device is basically installed with a client software. A client software is installed into the devices. Depends upon the device type and software type. Okay, so database servers or a regular servers, web servers, DNS servers. Okay, great. So what these client softwares called agents, it send information to centralized server. It send information to centralized server as it is given things like I want to know if system is alive or not, or I want to know IP address is working good or not. Otherwise I want to know the performance of system, or I want to know particular application performance of that system. So I will ask, I'll send information to this software from the server, so I can able to get that information. Okay, so obviously okay, so this is a what centralized monitoring. So different centralized monitoring tools also there. Okay, so here it is. Whether I written that what or not. Yeah, service management I have written, and there is event alerts, columns. Yeah, I didn't write any about sorry. Okay, I missed that notes. Maybe I took only for a HCL or what? Okay, now column. There it is. PRTG, PRTG, solar, winds, snow. Okay, snow. Nagios, Zabbix, Zabbix. A lot of tools are there, guys. So it's not only this one. Wireshark. Just I showed that one. That is Wireshark. This is Wireshark. Okay. This is Wireshark. So centralized monitoring tools also Wireshark for not only for our system, multiple system. Angry IP scanner. Angry IP scanner. Okay. So you can type monitoring tools. NewRelic. NewRelic. This is PRTG is belongs to this company. Network monitoring tool. Okay, not only network is you will get an entire system. This is a PRTG. What it is monitoring network devices, bandwidth, servers, applications. Okay, virtual machines, remote, and more. Okay, support in different languages, and it is hosted available and cloud also available. It's a company name. So you want to go to PRTG, can get this kind of stuff also. This small information. Okay. So you can go to different site like where this information is available kind of stuff. Okay. So solar winds, network performance. Okay. IUV, watchdog, manage engine of site 24. Okay. WhatsUP Gold, WhatsUp Gold, not WhatsApp Gold. So last part I given wrong information. Then it is WhatsUp Gold. I didn't written at all. Okay, we will write now. So what process? WhatsUp Gold, PRTG, Nagios, Zabbix, Izinenka. So like that. These are the things. Okay. You can go. You can type in Google. I'm not giving any links where we can find all this kind of stuff. I'm not giving. So you can go to type in Google. You will find different monitoring tools, softwares. You can see this. So it is connected to the network, and we can able to monitor things from here. O5. Okay, I am giving this link. I think I created a PPTs here, so then you can also try once. Okay, so I've written a few names here, so then try those things. SolarWinds, PRTG, what it will do, kind of stuff. Okay, so it is already I have a one installed thing is also there. So this is network monitoring tools. NewRelic, I forget. I will. So this is NewRelic is application monitoring tool. AppDynamics. Okay. There is a lot of monitoring tools are available. Okay. I will show you Nagios. I will try. This is Nagios and Zabbix also there. So Zabbix also you can try. This is a Zabbix. Of course, you can try SolarWinds also. Okay. So Nagios and Zabbix almost all same, but Nagios is most likely it is a it's a trial version type. Zabbix is also same thing, but it is a both are open source type. Importantly, download and install a Zabbix. This is like this. You can this is a Nagios guys. Download. So go to Nagios download first. You want to try yourself, you can also try Nagios how to use it. Okay, so Microsoft VMware Linux, what it is, you want to download it for a Microsoft or VMware or Linux. Important is this is the virtual machine. Microsoft means you download a Hyper-V virtual machine. Linux means a Linux based virtual machine you are download or installation of application on a Linux directly. It is VMware, ESXi, vSphere kind of stuff, whatever it is a virtual appliances. So you want to use it on a vSphere or VMware Player or a Pro. I'm using on a VMware Player, VMware Pro. We have it, and also it is works in a virtual box also. You can find a installation guideline here. Okay, I'm telling how to download Nagios. So download. Oh, this time it is asking information. Last time usually it won't ask that information much. Now it is asking download information. Okay, yeah, give some information, give some email IDs, phone numbers, something it is showing. It is not showing anything. Okay, you can download it, but without giving much information. And this is a Zabbix. Zabbix also same thing, same way we can able to do it. Either you can package cloud images, containers, appliances. Appliances. What is the meaning of appliances, guys? Meaning of appliances ready-made system. Ready-made. No need to install anything. Direct file is available. Okay, this is ISO image file. Want to install it? This is a VMware VSX. This is open virtualization compressed format. So I'm taking this OVF so I can use it in any place. So try to download Zabbix. Now in Nagios people putting a there. Okay, so I am trying to download this one. Okay. Latest Apache version installed in a CentOS 8 stream. MySQL is a backend. What happened? Why this is asking so many questions? Fulfill kind of stuff. This is not a one, so I have to give some different IP. I downloaded. if you want to know how to download or install, there's a lot of YouTube videos from direct Nagios is there. So I try to download this and that one. So which one will be downloaded first? We'll see. Oh, there is no. This is not at all a good. This is tar file. Cancel it. Yeah, this is Nagios OVA. So then we will download here. Okay, it is downloading. I don't download. This is why it is showing like that. Also, I don't know. Yeah, this version is Linux based KVM QEMU based. It works in Zen and VirtualBox also. This is also good. You can take it. But .raw format. These are a Hyper-V formats. VMX format. But better to download only one. Okay, I'm downloading Nagios. I gave some information, so then I'm able to download it. Okay. So meanwhile, should understand what is SMTP protocol, SNMP protocol. Okay. SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. Simple Network Management Protocol. Port numbers 161, 162. What is the use of this port number? This is a SNMP protocol. We use it to monitor things. I have PRTG also, but machine is not a ready-made system is not available. So if I have that one, I can able show you. Already I'm installed, but it is slow down the PCs. That's the problem. Okay. Yeah. Nagios also I deleted it. Zabbix I want to install, but I created and also I deleted it. Yeah, it is taking a lot of time, so don't worry. So guys, look at here. So what is a monitoring? Monitoring means observing few things like a process, performance, resources, applications, networking, database, system, servers, devices, monitoring, devices, kind of stuff. Important is whether system or a device is on or off. Like you have a printer, is printer is connected or not connected? Do you have a network IP addresses, how it is going on? You have an application, so how it is, how much it is consuming your resources, what is current resources status? Okay, 80% resources are utilizing, more than 80%, less than 10%, monitoring the resources. We can use different type of tools to monitor the things. So some are the tools are PRTG, SolarWinds, Nagios, Zabbix, WhatsUP Gold, like kind of stuff. Okay, so these are things can able to. So Nagios simple download, guys. So it simply can extract, but you should know the backend setup to do it. Okay, so this is all about your monitoring. Very basic point of monitoring. What you monitor, what are the tools we use it to monitor, what is centralized monitoring, what is centralized monitoring, why we need applications for monitoring centrally. Guys, understand? Still going on. Take lot of time.